Hey there, it's Corson-Knowles, #1 best-selling author of the Kindle Publishing Bible series. And right now in this video, I want to show you how to format your novels for Kindle, any fiction works. I'm going to show you how to format those for Kindle right now. So I actually have another video which shows you how to format your books for Kindle using Microsoft Word. And that's exactly what you need to do. Everything in that video shows you everything you need to do, except for I basically created that video for non-fiction authors. So for fiction authors, there's just one thing you want to tweak when you're doing your fiction formatting. So if you go ahead, underneath this video, there's a link to the original formatting video. Watch that, apply that, and then come back to this video for your novels to make that one tweak that's going to make everything work perfectly for you. So if you remember the first formatting video, what you want to do with your normal text throughout your book is go ahead, select your text, the main text of your book, select a paragraph or any portion of it, and then right click and hit paragraph. And once you click paragraph, what you want to do, remember we had 10-point spacing after, and we had no indentation, and that's what we were doing. So we're creating this 10-point space here, which creates this extra white space after your paragraph, and no indentation at the beginning of your paragraphs. And that's how, that's really the standard for non-fiction books. But for fiction books, you can do something a little bit differently. So here is Round Trip, which is a novel by one of my clients, David Katz, who's the TCK publishing client. And you'll notice that we've done the paragraphs here quite a bit differently. So first of all, they have an indentation at the beginning, and there's no spacing after the paragraphs. And this is standard for fiction books, for novels. So all you need to do to make this little tweak in Microsoft Word is go ahead, highlight your paragraph here, right click it, then click paragraph, and then where it says indentation, you want to hit a special indentation just for the first line, and then you want that to be 0.38. 0.38 inches is the number that you want there. So that's going to give you this indent right here, that's indent at the beginning of all your paragraphs, and that's going to convert perfectly to Kindle, so it's going to look awesome on Kindle. Okay, and then for your spacing, you actually don't want any spacing before or after your paragraph, so take your spacing down to 0. Okay, now another thing that you can do with your fiction books, sometimes you'll have, in a fiction book, or a novel, you'll have a part where it transitions from one scene to another, and it's not a new chapter, it's just a different scene. And so a lot of times what you can do, here I'll click up here, Show Hide Formatting. You can see we would just put in an extra paragraph, hit the enter key, and then put in this little 3 asterisks, 3 stars, and then hit the enter key again. And that creates this little spacing, this separation between these two sections of the book. Now you can use these little stars, which is just Shift 8 on your keyboard 3 times. You can also use some other cool stuff you can do is click Insert at the top here on Microsoft Word. Click Insert. Then hit symbol, and then you can actually find stars in the symbol. So you can click star, and then you can have 3 stars right there instead. So that's the kind of thing that you can do. You can also add images that look all fancy and nice, but I'm not a big fan of that because it's going to increase your file size, which is going to increase your delivery costs. So you're going to actually make less profit per book. Plus, it's just a lot of work, and I don't think it's really necessary at all. But you can use the stars, use the asterisks. I think it looks really nice when you just use the 3 asterisks and separate it that way. It looks really professional on Kindle, and that's how you separate different scenes in your novel. So those 2 things are really all you need to do differently for fiction books as opposed to non-fiction books when you're formatting them for Kindle. Okay. So that's all you need to do to change to format your books, your fiction books for Kindle. Again, watch that first video which teaches you everything you need to know. Follow that step by step, and then come back to this video, make that one tweak to your spacing, so you can add an indent at the beginning and remove the extra spacings before and after your paragraphs, and then you're good to go. So hope you have an incredible day. If you have any questions about this, just post your comments below this video. I'm happy to help, and hope you have an incredible day, okay? Take care.